Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to restore or connect a disconnected mailbox on Exchange server. In our previous video, we saw how to disable or delete a mailbox from Exchange server and disabled few of the mailboxes from Exchange. So let's restore them from disconnected state to connected state so that users can use their mailbox. You may need to reconnect the mailbox wherein one of your IT administrator has disabled the mailbox by human error or deleted by a miss, or the user who left the organization may have rejoined the organization within the Exchange mailbox retention period itself. Let's see how we can connect the mailbox to a user account in Exchange. Let's go to our Exchange server, and in the recipient section, if you click on this three dots and click on connect mailbox, you can see some of the mailboxes which are disconnected already. So let's connect Bridget's mailbox using ACP. Once we select the mailbox here, we can click on this icon to connect the mailbox, and you can see this mailbox is being connected to this particular user account, and the alias will be this. So if you select yes, connect to this user account, the mailbox will be connected to Bridget's user account. Let's refresh the page. You can see Bridget now has the active mailbox on Exchange server. So on the disconnected mailbox list, you still see some of the mailboxes which were disconnected as part of our previous videos. Let's take test user 1 as another example and try to connect this mailbox. So as you see, we see an error where there is no users matching this account. So Exchange is unable to determine to which account this should be restored. So in this case, we have two options here, wherein if you have enabled the recycle bin on the Active Directory, you can restore the user account and then come back to Exchange and connect this mailbox to the same original account. Or you may consider creating a new account for this particular user. So for now, let's select now I want to connect to a different user account and select the user mailbox as a type. Let's go back to our Active Directory users and computers and create a new user account in this case and call this as test user 3 and give the user login name as test3. Let's enter the password here. So we now have test user 3 on the Active Directory. So if we go back to this connect mailbox window and browse to Active Directory users, we can see test users 3 here. Select OK and finish it. Now the test user 1 mailbox has been connected to test user 3. If we close this window and go back to ECP and refresh the page, we see test user 3 now has the mailbox. So that's it for this video. I hope this was informative and see you on the next one.